Unlock the secret to deliciously creamy protein shakes without the protein powder. Get ready to transform this affordable secret ingredient into your new favorite smoothie sensation. It's perfect for a nutritious boost any time of the day. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Sharon McCaskill. I'm a registered dietitian nutritionist focused on helping you live gluten-free without the stress and with confidence. Today, I've got something truly exciting for you. I have 4 super easy gluten-free, dairy-free protein shake recipes that skip protein powder entirely. And here's the twist that you didn't see coming. The secret ingredient is beans. Yep, beans. If you've been gluten-free for a while, you've probably seen beans act as a star ingredient in recipes like brownies and muffins, but today we're using them in shakes. Packed with plant protein and flavor, these shakes are about to revolutionize snack time as well as post-workout recovery. So hit subscribe, grab your blender, and get ready to whip up some delicious and nutritious shakes. But first, why beans? When you're living gluten-free, finding natural and nutrient-rich food sources is key, and that's where beans come in. These little powerhouses are a treasure trove of nutrition. It's easy to see why so many cultures have relied on beans as a staple part of their diet for thousands of years. Packed with protein, they're excellent for maintaining muscle health and keeping you satiated or full for longer. But the benefits don't stop there. Beans are loaded with fiber, which is great for your digestive health. And this is something we all need to pay attention to. Most Americans are only getting the smallest fraction of fiber that they need in their daily diets. Plus, gluten-free diets tend to be even lower in fiber. And let's talk about versatility. Beans fit seamlessly into so many recipes. They add this creaminess without overpowering other flavors, whether savory or sweet. Yep, beans can be your secret ingredient in sweet recipes too, just like these protein shakes. They blend so smoothly you won't even remember that they're there, but you'll get the goodness from it. Trust me, these shakes are a game changer. In today's lineup, we're making 4 different flavors of shakes. We'll make a creamy vanilla cake batter. We'll make a classic chocolate peanut butter shake. That's my favorite. We'll make strawberry banana. That's my kid's favorite, as well as a decadent chocolate covered cherry shake. So let's get ready to blend up these shakes. So for birthday cake, we're starting out with banana. I'm going to use white beans for this one. You could use chickpeas too. Either one is perfect. Our 3/4 cup soy milk. And we're going to add some extracts. I'm going to use 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. About a 1/4 teaspoon of almond. And about a 1/4 teaspoon of butter extract. That's what will give it its cake flavor. And for sweetener, I'm throwing in a date. And it's ready to blend. All right, let's take a look. Oh yeah, that looks great. Super creamy. You could add some ice to this. It might make it a little frostier, but it tastes really good. All right. For the chocolate peanut butter shake, we're going to start with 1 frozen banana and add our 1/2 cup of black beans. To that, we'll add about 1/2 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of peanut flour or PB2. You don't have to be brand specific, or you could use real peanut butter. We'll add 2 dates for some sweetness and top it off with about 3/4 cup of soy milk. Use whatever kind of milk you like. If you can tolerate dairy, use regular dairy milk. And we're gonna blend it up. All right, now that it's done blending, let's check this out. Look how creamy that is. That is so delicious. Put a spoon in it so you can see the texture. Look at that, perfectly smooth and super chocolatey. In the strawberry banana shake, we're starting with banana, which just makes sense, right? We'll use chickpeas in this one, 1/2 cup. We're gonna try to fit in a full cup of strawberries. Perfect. I'm gonna add just a tiny bit of sweetener and top it off with 3/4 cup of soy milk. And it's ready to blend. All right, it's done. Let's check it out. Look at that. Delicious. Super creamy and super pink. So in this shake, we're starting out with 3/4 cup of soy milk, just like in our other shakes. To that, we're adding frozen banana, our 1/2 cup of beans. Since this is chocolatey, we're gonna use black beans. I'm adding dates for sweetener, but of course, use whatever you like. 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and 1/2 cup of frozen cherries. So push that right down in and blend it up. All right, and just like all the others, look how thick and creamy this is. This looks so delicious. It's so thick, smooth, and creamy. Like, it's so perfect. We blended up 4 fantastic flavors, and you can find every recipe right down in the video description. Each recipe was packed not just with flavor, but with the wholesome goodness of beans, bringing you protein, fiber, and essential nutrients for a gluten-free, dairy-free lifestyle. So whether you're just looking for a quick protein boost, a post-workout recovery shake, or a snack, these shakes are here to satisfy. No compromises needed. I'd love to see your shakes and see what types of twists you add to these recipes. So if you make one of them, be sure to tag me on Instagram. And drop your thoughts and any variations in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more gluten-free tips and recipes, be sure to subscribe, like this video, and hit that notification bell so that you always know when I publish new videos. And here's to blending up joy, health, and flavor in every glass. Cheers.